You can discuss climate change in English. You can explain complex business strategies. You can write professional emails without a single grammar mistake.
But then the barista at Starbucks asks, "What size?" And for half a second, you freeze.
Or your coworker says, "How's it going?" in the hallway, and you say, "I am fine, thank you," and immediately feel like it came out wrong.
Or someone holds the door for you and you say, "Thank you very much," and it feels just slightly too formal for the moment.
The conversations you struggle with most aren't the big ones, they're the tiny ones, the ones that happen 10 times a day, the ones nobody ever taught you.
Today, we're fixing all of that.
Welcome to Word by Word English, where every episode we teach you the real English that changes how people see you.
Today, we're covering 10 real daily conversations. Short, practical, the exact words Americans use in the exact moments you'll need them.
No grammar explanations, no vocabulary lists, just real conversations ready to use today.
Let's get into it.
Conversation 1, the hallway greeting. Someone says, "How's it going?" Or, "How are you doing?" Or, "What's up?"
Most English learners say, "I am fine, thank you. How are you?" Every time, without fail.
Here's the thing. That response is technically correct, but it sounds stiff, formal, like you rehearsed it.
Here's what Americans actually say.
Pretty good. You? Casual, warm, natural.
Not bad, not bad. Relaxed, easygoing.
Can't complain. Cheerful, friendly.
Living the dream, said with a slate smile, often slightly sarcastic in a fun way.
Honestly, pretty tired, but hanging in there. Real, relatable, human.
Notice, Americans don't always say they're doing great. Real answers are honest, short, and casual, and they almost always end with "you" to pass it back.
Practice these right now. Say them out loud. Pick one that feels natural to you and use it tomorrow.
Conversation 2. Ordering at a coffee shop or restaurant.
Instead of, "I would like to order a medium coffee, please," Americans say,
Can I get a medium coffee? Most common, works everywhere.
"I'll have the pasta." At a restaurant, simple and direct.
Could I do a large iced latte? Slightly more polite, still casual.
And when someone asks anything else, instead of "No thank you, that will be all," just say, "I think that's it," or "Nope, that's everything."
Can I get is the magic phrase here. It works for food, drinks, information, almost anything you're asking for in a service situation.
Conversation 3, small talk at work. The Monday morning conversation, the elevator chat, the 2 minutes before a meeting starts.
American small talk follows predictable patterns. Once you know the patterns, you're never stuck.
Pattern 1, the weekend. "How was your weekend?" Response, "Pretty good, low-key, mostly just relaxed." You?
Pattern 2, the weather. Can you believe this weather? Right? I did not see this coming.
Pattern 3, current workload. "How's everything going with the project?" Getting there. A lot of moving parts, but we're making progress.
The formula for all small talk is short answer plus one detail plus you. Pass it back. Keep it light. Don't overshare.
Tell us in the comments, what's the small talk topic you find most awkward?
Conversation 4, asking for help in a store.
Instead of, "Excuse me, where is the bread?" Americans say,
Hey, do you know where the bread is? Casual, friendly.
"Quick question, where would I find the bread?" Slightly more polite, still natural.
And when someone helps you, don't say, "Thank you very much, I appreciate your assistance." Just say, "Perfect, thanks so much," or "Awesome, I appreciate it."
"I appreciate it" works in warm, genuine situations where you want to thank someone naturally.
Conversation 5, phone calls. For many English learners, the most stressful English situation of all.
Here's the essential phone call toolkit.
Starting a call. Hi, this is your name. Is person available?
When you don't understand something, "Sorry, could you say that again?" Or, "I didn't quite catch that, could you repeat it?"
When you need a moment. Bear with me 1 second.
Ending a call. "Sounds good, I'll follow up by email." Or, "Talk soon."
The most important phrase for phone calls. I didn't quite catch that. It's polite, natural, and gives you permission to ask for a repeat without sounding like you weren't paying attention.
Conversation 6, saying no. In American culture, how you say no matters enormously.
I wish I could, but I've got a lot on my plate right now.
"I'd love to, but I'm gonna have to pass this time."
I appreciate you thinking of me, I just can't commit to that right now.
Notice every polite American decline has 2 parts. First, something positive or empathetic. Second, the actual no. You never lead with the no.
This structure, positive, then no, is one of the most important social patterns in American culture.
Conversation 7. Compliments. Americans give and receive compliments very differently from most other cultures.
In many cultures, the polite response to a compliment is to deflect. Oh, no, it's nothing. In American culture, deflecting compliments makes the giver feel bad.
When someone says, I love your jacket, say, thank you, I just got it.
When someone says, great presentation today, say, that means a lot. I appreciate you saying so.
And when you give a compliment, Americans love specific compliments. Not, you did well, but that opening slide was so effective. It really set the tone for everything.
Specific compliments are remembered. Generic compliments are forgotten.
Conversation 8. When something goes wrong.
Americans handle mistakes differently. They acknowledge, they explain briefly, and they move to the solution fast.
I'm so sorry about that. Let me fix it right now.
My apologies. That's on me. Here's what I'm going to do.
The key, in American professional culture, the faster you move from apology to solution, the more competent you seem.
Brief apology, immediate action. That's the American way.
Conversation 9. Making and canceling plans.
Making plans. Are you free this weekend? Let's grab coffee sometime. What does your schedule look like next week?
Confirming plans. Still on for tomorrow? We're still good for Friday, right?
Canceling plans. Hey, I'm so sorry. Something came up. Can we reschedule?
Something came up. This phrase is golden in American English. It means I have a reason, but I don't need to explain it, and Americans completely understand and accept it.
Conversation 10. Making someone feel remembered. This is the one daily conversation skill nobody teaches, and the one that creates the strongest impressions.
Most people end conversations generically. Nice talking to you. Bye. And they're forgotten within minutes.
But there's one small thing Americans do, consciously or not, that makes the other person feel genuinely valued.
They use the person's name at the end of the conversation.
It was really great talking to you, Sarah. Take care, James.
I'll shoot you a message, David.
Using someone's name at the end of a conversation makes them feel seen, remembered, like they weren't just another interaction in your day.
And here's what makes it even more powerful. Most people don't do it, so when you do, it stands out immediately. People remember you differently.
Combined with a specific reference to something they said, it was great talking to you, Sarah. I'll definitely check out that book you mentioned. And you've created a connection that most people never make.
That's the 10. And that last one, that's the one that'll change how people remember you.
Quick mistake section, because even these simple conversations have traps.
Mistake 1. Saying, I am fine, thank you, to every greeting. It's correct, but robotic. Switch to, pretty good, you, and watch how conversations immediately feel warmer.
Mistake 2. Over-apologizing when something goes wrong. Long apologies without action make things worse in American culture. Brief apology, immediate solution is always better.
Mistake 3. Accepting help or compliments with excessive modesty. Oh, it was nothing. Makes the giver feel dismissed. Just say, thank you, I appreciate it.
Mistake 4. Not using names. Most learners never use the other person's name during or after a conversation. Start using names. It's one of the most powerful connection tools in any language.
Mistake 5. Leading with no when declining. Always cushion it first. Positive or empathetic statement first, then the decline.
Quick practice. 5 situations. Ready?
Situation 1. Your coworker says, how's it going, in the hallway. What do you say?
Pretty good, honestly. Little busy, but getting there. You? Situation 2. You're at a coffee shop. What do you say to order?
Can I get a medium iced coffee, please? That's it. Thanks.
Situation 3. A friend invites you to an event you can't attend. What do you say?
I wish I could, but I've got a lot going on right now. Can we plan something soon, though?
Situation 4. Something went wrong with a task at work. What do you say to your manager?
I'm sorry about that. That's completely on me. I'm fixing it right now, and I'll have it done by end of day.
Situation 5. You're ending a conversation with someone you just met named Alex. What do you say?
It was so great meeting you, Alex. I'll definitely keep in touch.
Now, your turn. Pick any one of today's 10 conversations and write your natural response in the comments. We want to see your version.
10 conversations, 10 moments that happen every single day in coffee shops, hallways, offices, stores, and phone calls.
You didn't need more grammar. You didn't need a bigger vocabulary. You just needed the right words for the right moments.
That's what real English is. Not textbooks, not exams. Moments. And now you have the words for them.
Don't waste your English. You already have more than you think.
Like and subscribe to Word by Word English because next time we're going back to our signature format. One word, one deep dive. One word that completely changes how Americans perceive your confidence.
See you in the next one.